Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you how you can switch your accounts in Monopoly Go. Now what you want to do to open up a new account is to first disconnect your own account from Facebook and from Google Play or whatever the equivalent is for Apple phones, and that is done by going to the menu in the top right. As you can see, those three horizontal lines with a red dot, you click on that, and now what you want to do is click on the settings at the bottom of the list, click on connect account, the big green button, and here you will see options to disconnect your account from both Facebook and from Google Play. Once you do this, guys, what you want to do is actually delete your local data from Monopoly Go from your phone, and I will show you exactly how to do it. Let me just quickly change to the settings on my phone and I will show you exactly step by step how you can do this, guys. Alright guys, now that we're in our settings in our phone, what you want to do is locate the apps tab or whatever tab you have in your phone. Most of them are called apps, and you want to enter it, guys. Once you enter it, you'll see a list of all your applications you have installed on your phone, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see the M, and when you see the M you should see Monopoly Go somewhere there. You need to select Monopoly Go and enter the storage of Monopoly Go. As you can see, there are two options. One is to clear the cache and one is to clear the data. If you click clear data, that will completely clear your phone of your progress. However, it will still be saved, but when you clear that data, you can then open up a new account, and once you start Monopoly Go again, you will start a completely fresh game. Now, one thing you have to want to note: if you want to keep that progress of your new account, what you want to do is create a new Facebook account to which you're going to connect your Monopoly Go game. And once you do connect it, or rather once you make that account, you will have to wait about 6 hours until you can actually connect it to any games that you're actually playing. That's about it. I hope that everything has been clear. Follow my steps correctly and you should make yourself a new account. And that's been it for me, and I'll see you in another video.